Hi, I'm Mithila. When I first started playing was probably when I was 3 years old. My dad took me down with a racket which was taller to me, and that's when I actually first started playing. But professionally, I coached in 8th grade for about a year, and since then I've been inseparable from that. When the goal is to balance both, it just happens to happen, because at the end of the day I know if I'm inching towards my goal or far away from it. So I think that's what gets me in line. I think everybody within themselves knows what they want to prioritize more. So like I did, I always knew I wanted to strike the balance between the two. So having a goal that how much priority you want to give to each in your life, I think that will help you to balance both. Numbers and finance has always been something that has been very intriguing to me. And during the lockdown, that's just before my bachelor's, I had a lot of time to explore regarding the same. And nobody can discount the fact that it's from the Bombay Stock Exchange. So that's what pushed me to take the decision.